What is up, YouTube? Wow, this is weird. I'm normally being filmed by others or filming with my GoPro, so this is really weird. I'm not sure if I'm in focus or if I'm in frame, but we're trying it. It's been a lot of road work lately, so I've been able to get some new asphalt pieces for the gate. So today we're gonna lay down the last asphalt piece, and after that I'm gonna do some gates. So now I'm gonna set up the time lapse and get to digging. Let's go! Phew! If you're wondering what my time lapse tripod looks like, here you go. New angle, new tripod. Asphalt in place, couple bricks. Didn't use too much energy on the transition, as you can see, but it'll work for now. Now I'm gonna set up the gate and try to get some gates in. So let's set up the gate, change, and get the session going. Phew! Sun's out, bike's out. Let's get the session going. No, wait.
Okay, riders, random start.
Now we're ready. Let's go. Phew. Session done. The brakes and the new asphalt worked. Sun's out. Be able to train in shorts. It's nice as well. Now I'm gonna pack up, and I was told to mow the lawn. So I got a creative idea on how to do that a bit more fun. So we're gonna see how that works. But yeah, good session, and let's keep the day going. Phew. Okay, so the idea is to combine the pit bike with the lawnmower. Thank you, little sister, for the idea. And drag the lawnmower around somehow behind that. Not sure if it's gonna work, but it's gonna be fun to try anyway, so we'll give it a go. Helmet on, safety first. That honestly worked way better than I could have hoped for. Got the job done. A bit sketchy in the start, but made it work. Now it's time for a core workout on the porch. Do some stretching and core exercises, and then it's dinner time. So yeah, workout next. Let's go. Phew. Change your gear. New setup on. Shoes. Water bottle. Music. New tripod ready. Let's get it. Yo! round 1. Got 2 more rounds to go. It's actually quite hot, extra good, extra burn. I'm gonna finish these 2 last rounds and I'll pick up the camera at dinner. Yo! Yup. Taco Friday, let's go. You. Currently trying to put together the vlog and discovered that a lot of the filming I did with the camera was the wrong settings. Of course, rookie mistake was bound to happen. So a lot of the clips is overexposed, and you can see here. We start off good, then when the sun comes around, the clip, this is all you see. Perfect. A lot of B-roll and clips missing, so if the vlog is a bit choppy and weird, that's why. But I'm putting together the vlog anyway and trying to make the best out of it. But anyway, thank you for watching. This was a challenge and really weird. Hope you enjoyed, and please leave some feedback in the comment section below if you want to see something else or some more of this. I'll try to make it happen. And yeah, stay safe. See you.